On 3rd July 2024, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K Sangma, joined the vibrant Behdienkhlam Festival celebrations in Jowai, a significant event for the Pnar community, marking a successful harvest and a prosperous year. The festival, aimed at appeasing the gods for a plentiful harvest and protection from illness, showcases the importance of preserving ancestral traditions and cultural heritage. The Behdienkhlam Festival is a testament to the state's rich cultural diversity and the government's efforts to preserve and celebrate it. The Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K Sangma, reiterated the administration's commitment to promoting festivals that highlight the region's diverse cultural heritage and unique traditions.
I would like to take this opportunity to wish the people of the state a very happy Behdienkhlam Festival. This is one of the important festivals of the state, and this is my third time that I am here visiting and being part of this festival. And every time I come here, it becomes even more and more colorful and more beautiful. And I love the way that the people celebrate it with so much of passion and so much of involvement. And we are happy that we can always support this festival in every possible way. And as you're aware that even the infrastructure that was created out here was created by the government through the tourism department. About 6.5 crores has been spent on this. And like this, we've always believed that maintaining the cultural identity of our state and of our people is of utmost importance. So we are happy to support, and we are happy to see that our people have continued to celebrate in a very passionate manner the different cultural festivals of our state. So once again, I wish the people of our state a very happy Behdienkhlam Festival. Thank you.
And the right of life,